It seems even celebrities can be vulnerable to bullying. Kendall Jenner has admitted that online trolls have made her cry endlessly for days. You would think being a rich and famous model and reality TV star would mean that you wouldn't care about what others say about you, but turns out that's not the case. Kendall has been affected in the past by cruel comments on social media, but she has become stronger by having to go through it. She passed on her advice to her fans about how to deal with bullying. Kendall insisted in an interview with Allure magazine that the only way to deal with the remarks is to not pay attention to it. But she has confessed that she is not superhuman and still finds some online comments very hurtful. The Keeping Up with the Kardashians star went on to speak about people cruelly teasing her about her acne after she attended the Golden Globe Awards in 2018. She stated that she knows when she's breaking out, so you guys don't have to keep pointing it out. If you like and subscribe to our videos, there's a chance your favorite celebrity will follow you on Twitter. We can't prove that, but we're saying there's a chance.